Hey, what's up, Miami? This is Mackinson from Anchita Ballet, which means Let's Sit and Talk. I'm here with Mr. Fetty Wap. Alright. Hey, welcome to Miami, bro. How do you like Miami, man?
I'm finna move out here.
Really?
Yeah.
You like it that much, bro?
Yeah.
Good. I'm pretty sure you all know who is this. He's doing big right now. Hey, now, listen, I don't mean to get in your business and stuff like that, but how do you get so big so quick, bro?
Hard work and dedication, you know what I'm saying? Just like, I mean, only way I know how to describe this shit is like, you feel me, like the local trap stars, you know what I mean? Like, I ain't gonna let nobody short them, you feel me? So I ain't let nobody short me for my blessing, you know what I mean? Like, this is what I really wanted to do. I put my mind to this shit and wasn't nothing else gonna work but this. So I made it happen.
Man, listen, man, I gotta tell you, bro.
Yeah,
I've seen your a couple of videos, bro, of you. You're like an inspiration to any other youth out there. You're doing a wonderful job, and considering the fact that, am I nervous? No, I'm not. Considering the fact that, of course, you're black, and then I like to see when black men doing positive stuff, because you know, like they always have like something different or negative to say about black people.
Yeah.
So whenever, as a young guy, as a young black man, to see you doing it like that, I'm very proud, bro.
I appreciate it.
Now, one question that I would like to ask you: are you really Haitian or not?
Can't nobody tell me I'm not Haitian.
I thought you was until I heard a little bird told me that you're not.
Yeah, no, I'm not Haitian.
Bro, you know how that make me feel, bro? And it hurt a lot to see you're not Haitian, and you act like one, and you proud to show everywhere with this flag in your bro. That makes us really proud, man, and I'm really, really, really happy the fact that you present us in a way like people would think that you're really one of us, but realistically you're not.
See, my whole thing is unity. You know what I mean? Like, I've been around a lot of people, and I've seen a lot of cultures like consume each other. You know what I'm saying? Like, this culture will kill the same culture. You know what I mean? Or for black people, you know what I mean? And I don't have my face when I say this. Black people don't know how to be one. You know what I mean? And my whole thing is like, you feel me? I wore the flag for my baby girl grandmother. You know what I mean? Her grandmother was Haitian.
Okay.
So what happened was basically during the process of me wearing the flag, of course, people started asking me was I Haitian. You know what I'm saying? So I started doing my research in the background, and I started falling in love with the culture. So it was no more just wearing the flag. You know what I mean? It was like now it's like I feel like I'm a part of it. You know what I'm saying?
Awesome. Now, I know you're pretty busy. I don't want to hold you on for so long. Now, if you have like one good advice to give to the youth, what would that be?
The best advice I can give to you is follow your dreams and understand that school and education can take you farther than you ever expected. And I learned that the hard way. So hopefully if you're getting it from the person that's, you know what I mean, that y'all look up to, or some people, you know what I mean, some people say I'm a role model to, you know what I mean, I didn't graduate school. So it was harder for me. So my whole thing is, school is a big thing to me. You feel me? Like my son, I don't want my son to not go to school, you know what I'm saying? So the best advice I could give to you is follow your dreams, listen to your parents, and make sure whatever you want to do, you stick to it and don't quit. Because it can happen for anybody.
I like the message. Well, thank you so very much, man. Once again, it's nice to meet you. You're doing a wonderful job, bro. Keep it up, man. Keep your head high, man.
Thank you, man.
All right, brother. Thanks a lot. Appreciate that.